Hi, welcome to Chemistry with Sir Santi. For this video, we will be talking about significant figures. For scientists, it is important that measurements should be expressed in the right number of significant figures. The significant figures of a number are those digits that are either certain or good estimates of the measurement. The significant figures express the degree of certainty of a specific value of measurement. To determine the number of significant figures of a number, observe the following rules. Here are the rules on how to identify the number of significant figures in a given digit. Let's begin with non-zero digits. Non-zero digits are technically those numbers or digits that are not zero. All non-zero digits are always significant. Like for an example, 1.2345. These numbers are called non-zeros. It's because, as you can see, there's no zero right there. So if we were to ask how many significant figures in the given example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures for our first example. Again, all non-zero digits are considered significant. Since we're done with non-zeros, let us now proceed to zeros. Actually, there are three kinds of zeros which we can consider significant or not. The first type is we have the lead zeros. Lead zeros are those zeros before the non-zero digits, and these zeros are not significant. Like for an example, 0.00123. So where is the lead zeros right there? Again, those lead zeros are zeros that are before the non-zero digits, and again, they're not significant. So for this example, we only have 3 significant figures. Right. So let's have another example. We have 0.032. Again, the lead zeros is before the non-zero digits. For that example, we only have 2 significant figures. The second type of zeros are those zeros located in between the non-zero digits, and these zeros are considered significant. Again, zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. Like for an example, we have 129.003. So we have 2 zeros in between the non-zero digits, and they're all considered significant. So if we were to ask how many significant figures are there, we have 6 significant figures for this example. Let's try another example. We have 2001. Alright, so another 2 zeros located in between the non-zero digits. For this example, we have 4 significant figures. The third type of zero is the end or tail zeros, which are zeros at the right of the last non-zero digit. Zeros to the right of a decimal point in a number greater than or less than 1 are significant. Like for an example, we have 123,000.00. So how many significant figures? These zeros, which is in line, they are called the end zeros, and they are all significant. So for this example, we have 8 significant figures. Let's try another example. We have 0.01230. So how many significant figures? We can all see that we have lead zeros, 2 lead zeros. Yeah, and they're not significant, but our end zero is significant. So for this example, we have 4 significant figures. The third rule is all about exact numbers. These are numbers that are obtained by counting rather than measuring. These are exact by definition or have an unlimited or infinite number of significant figures. Like for example, 734 boxes. So we can count 3 significant figures. Another example, 1,000 pieces of band paper. So we can count 4 significant figures for that example. That's it. Let's connect through my social media accounts in YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks!